Want to check your Windows PC for potential security threats? Microsoft PC Manager includes security tools that work with Microsoft Defender to help identify risks and keep your computer protected. In this guide, I'll show you how to scan for threats with Microsoft PC Manager in 2026. First, launch Microsoft PC Manager from the Start menu or desktop shortcut. Once the application opens, you'll see the main dashboard with several performance and security tools. Next, navigate to the Security section or any option that provides access to security checks. Depending on your version of Microsoft PC Manager, you may also see shortcuts that open Microsoft Defender. Choose the option to begin a security scan. Microsoft Defender will check your computer for viruses, malware, and other potential threats. The scan may take a few minutes depending on the number of files on your system. Once the scan is complete, review the results carefully. If any threats are found, you'll usually see recommended actions such as quarantining or removing the affected files. If threats are detected, follow the recommended actions to protect your computer. This may include quarantining suspicious files, removing malware, or restarting your PC if required. After the scan finishes, make sure Microsoft Defender protection remains enabled and keep Windows updated with the latest security updates. Running regular scans helps improve your computer's overall security, and that's how to scan for threats with Microsoft PC Manager in 2026. By performing regular security scans and keeping your system updated, you can help protect your Windows PC from viruses and other security risks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.